Okay, so let's first of all let's have a look and just have a look at the live site. So if you go up to, there should be several links. Well, there's one right here in the middle, view your site. So we'll click that. And that's what our site looks like at the moment. It's very plain, there's not really much here. So we'll go back. If you go to the top left-hand corner, you can click Dashboard from the drop-down menu. And that takes us back to our dashboard where we can edit and do everything that we want to do with our WordPress site. Now, that's a pretty plain Jane looking website there. So let's update the theme first of all. So if we go to the left-hand menu and click Appearance, and then, well, you only need to hover over it and then click Themes. This will let us choose a new theme. Now, by default, it only comes up with these three themes here. The one on the far left is the theme that's currently installed. That's the default theme. Let's go to the far right and add a new theme. And if you click, well, it's got featured, and if you click popular, it will come up with popular ones. Now, all these themes, they sort of are geared around different functions, and some would be good if you're selling physical products. Some would be good if you were just, for example, hosting a magazine style website. But I find that for what we want to do, or what I'm demonstrating to you today, is a affiliate marketing or internet marketing style blog site. And the one that I like to use is called Dynamic News Lite. But you can pick any one of these. Here we go, here it is here. So if I just click, you can click the details and preview, but I'll just click install anyway because I know that I want to use it, and we'll have a look at it in a minute. So it says installing theme Dynamic News Lite. Now it's downloading the install package, unpacking the package and installing the theme, and then it says successfully installed the Dynamic News Lite theme. Now we can, we'll go to the live preview. I'll open it in a new window. And we can see that this is what it looks like. This is a really good starting one. It just has all the basics, basic things that you need to start out with, and we can customize it to our heart's content. I'm just going to click Save and Activate to get rid of this box on the left-hand side here. Click the X. And that's what, at the moment, if a visitor was to visit paulmorris.online, this is what they're going to view. Now, by going up to the top left-hand corner, it'll only have this if you're logged in as the administrator, you know, it's your website. Otherwise, this very top bar won't show to visitors to your site. This is just for you as an administrator to make custom changes. So let's go up to the top left-hand corner where it says Paul Morris Online, and let's click Dashboard again. And this will take us back to where we can edit our pages and our posts and change the look and feel of our website. Down the left-hand column here, I'll go through them very quickly. The posts, so these are the individual posts that you would make on your blog, media that you might have added to it. So the library is just a library of media that you can add. So you can have, your library can be full of photographs and videos and that type of thing that you can use to add to your posts and your pages. Your pages, now your page is an actual page that you can have different content on. You could, for example, have a page with a certain type of posts on there. So you can create pages, and those pages, they can become part of your menu for example, or your tab across the top of the website might have different pages. So they're a little bit different to posts. Your comments, marketplace, I'm not going to worry about any of these right now. Your appearance, that's where you, your themes, for example, like we just did, your widgets and your menus and your headers as it says down here. And plugins. So we'll come back to plugins because they're very useful. Users, at the moment, you're only worried about one user, and that is yourself. Tools, won't worry about that just yet. And settings, we won't worry about that at the moment. Okay, what we're worried about at the moment is just making sure that our site is up and running and that it's the domain name is working correctly. So if I just go up the top here and delete all this other stuff off the URL and punch in paulmorris.online, this is what comes up. So this is it's all working properly, which is good. Okay, so there you have it. Our WordPress site is up and running. So we're not going to make any posts or pages right now. We'll come back and customize that later. The main focus of this course at the moment is to get a membership site up and running. Now, there are plugins and there are membership sites that are made for WordPress or by WordPress. So, for example, if I go to plugins, I can go add new plugin. And these are where we would get our plugins. Now, just for example, there is a plugin that is handy to have, and it's called Pretty Links. So I'll type in Pretty Links. If I could spell properly, Pretty Links. I'll press enter. It didn't work, did it? Maybe I'll just try Pretty Link. Pretty Link Lite. Okay, so this is one that will be handy for you to have later. So and also it's good just to show you as an example of how to install a plugin. So I'll go install now, click that button, and it installs it. You can exactly what it said before when we installed our theme, and just click activate plugin. Now the plugin is activated. Now what Pretty Links does, if you're ever doing affiliate marketing and you're trying to sell, say JVZoo products or ClickBank products or any other type of product that gives you a hop link or an affiliate link, what Pretty Link does is it makes it, you've heard of link shortening like Bitly and those other types of link shortening services, but they still look rather ugly. If you've got your own domain name like we have now, Pretty Links can actually make a really nice affiliate link, a custom affiliate link based on your URL.